Hi, this is Jim Black with the Jim Black Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today we're going to talk about winning in multiple offer situations. So when you're out there looking to win in multiple offer situation, there's 5, 10, 15 offers. You don't really know what the other offers are or necessarily what you need to do in order to win that offer. Well, the most important thing to do is to find out, what does the seller want? Many times we think, you know what, the seller wants the highest price, or maybe they want a cash offer. But you don't know that unless you actually ask the question. So have your agent reach out to the seller and find out what is important to them. You know, it may be that it's the highest price is most important. It may be that they don't care about the price as long as they can close in 30 days. Maybe they're up close to foreclosure. Who knows? Until you ask that question, you don't know. And it could be they don't want a home inspection done. And you need to have an agent that's going to be aggressive, to be willing to ask these questions, because many times I'll get offers and the agents don't even call me and tell me they're sending me an offer. And then when I do get an offer from an agent who calls me, asks me those questions, and provides an offer that is actually what the seller is looking for, the seller is going to be more apt to go with that. And the other thing is, don't include things that the seller said that they don't want to leave with the home. If they say they're excluding the washer and dryer, don't slip that into an offer and not tell them that you're asking for these things, because you might insult someone. Or you come in and you hope that they'll, in the initial offer, you actually hope that they'll ask for highest and best, but they don't. You don't know if they're actually even going to do that. So if they may just pick the best offer. They may not ask for highest and best. So come in strong with your first offer. Make sure that that first offer is your strongest offer. And that way that they may just jump on your offer before the other offers even come in. So you want to be quick. You want to get what it is that the seller wants in that offer. And you want to make sure that there's regular communication between the agents so they know that this thing is going to go smooth. So again, today our talk is again about winning in multiple offer situations. And if there's anything I can do to help, you have any questions about a specific scenario or anything we can help to make sure that you're getting in the home of your dreams, give us a call.